Good. Bring it back down with the white. Good. Come on, Drake, get it up. 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 Awesome. Good. Okay, so what you think about the uphill prowler sprint, Drake?
Ain't no joke. Ain't no joke.
Ain't no joke?
Nah.
Oh, we sitting down, huh?
I deserve it, man.
Yep. So that uphill sprint is a booger, huh?
Yeah. It's worth it though. It's well worth it.